What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw Rob from the amazing world of Gumball. Let's begin today's lesson at the top center of our page and draw an oval for the eye. We'll start right in the middle at the very top, go around the left side and bring that in toward the middle. We'll go all the way around the right side and then back up towards the top. Now I'm going to place a circle along the bottom edge of the eye. We'll start from the bottom in the center, go all the way around, go up to the top, and then back down. Let's trace that circle along the inside. So we'll start from the top, going all the way around, and then back up. Let's add a small circle on the top left for a highlight. And then we'll fill the inside of the pupil in black, going around that highlight. Let's add a fold underneath the eye. We'll start over on the left, bend this down, and then up. Then we'll step down in the center, curve the mouth going up, and then out towards the right. Let's add the eyebrow along the top. Just going to curve this down and back up. Let's round out the ends with a bracket. And we'll angle this down and in towards the center. And we'll fill the inside of the eyebrow. Now let's layer the hair on top of the head. In the center we'll step up and over towards the right. Let's curve the hair going around, just touching the side of the eye, and then bending that back out towards the bottom. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to add a crease going up, just tapering that down towards the side, come all the way down, and then bend that out. Let's go back up to the top, bend this up, and come around the side of the head, bend that in, and then blend that down. Now let's draw on the right side. Start from this point, go across, come down the side, and we'll bend that back out towards the right. Let's add another crease. From the center, going up, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then bend that out. Let's add another layer on the right side. We're going to go up, go all the way around the side of the head. I'm going to add a point going out towards the end. I just want to tuck this in behind. Now I want to add some layers across the top of the head. We're going to step up, bend this up, come all the way around, and just tuck that in towards the left side. Step back and do that again. Going up, around, and then down toward the top of this curve. Let's add a strand of hair on the top, going up and out, and we'll taper that back down. Now from here, I'm going to move down and draw the bottom edge of the head. Let's start over on the left, curve the head coming down and then in, and leave a gap going out and back up towards the right. Let's curve the side of the neck, coming in and then down towards the shoulders, and then we'll close off the bottom with a curve. Let's go to the bottom corners of the neck. We're going to curve the body going out and then down towards the hip. Let's connect the hips with the curve coming down and up, and we'll step up and draw that same curve. Now from the hips, we're going to draw two straight angled lines coming down and out towards the bottom of the shorts. Let's round out the bottom and just pull that in towards the center, coming down and up, and go towards the right. From that center point, draw a straight line going up, and we'll cross this like a T. Now let's tuck the legs in underneath the shorts, leaving a small gap in the center. Step over toward the left, bend the leg going out, and then down towards the ankle, go to the right, go out and down towards the same height. Let's round out the bottom of the ankle, just pulling this up. I'm going to bend the outside leg going out, up, and then in underneath the shorts. Let's go to the inside of the ankles, curve the heel coming in and then down towards the bottom. Flatten off the bottom with a short line going out, and then we'll go up with a short line. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from this line, curve this down, and then bend that up. Now round out the toe, come in, and then pull that down. Now from the outside of the ankle, I'm just going to curve the foot coming down and then out, just leaving a little overlap along the top. Let's go back up to the top and draw in the shoulder straps. Starting from the bottom of the neck, bend this out, and then in towards the side of the body. Let's go back up to the top of the strap, draw a straight angle line coming down and out across the sleeve. And we'll bend that down and then in towards the bottom of the strap. Let's draw the top of the backpack in behind the neck. We're going to start on top of the left shoulder, curve this up and in, continue out and down on the right. Now we're going to draw in the long arms. Let's start from the inside of the sleeve, curve the arm going out, and then all the way down towards the bottom. Let's round out the wrist, pulling that back up. And then the arms will get narrower as you come back up underneath the sleeve. So we'll go out, pull that up, and then in. Now let's draw in the hands starting with the thumb. Starting from the inside of the wrist, bend this in and then down. Round up the thumb, go up and then out. Let's add in the first finger, going out and then down towards the bottom. Round up the finger, go up and then in. Let's add the second finger, going out and then down. Round up the finger, pull that up and then in. Now layer the third finger in behind. We're going to start from the side, go all the way around, and just pull that in towards the hand. And we'll pull that up and in towards the wrist. And then we'll finish off by signing our artwork and adding a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Rob from the amazing world of Gumball. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.